this is Lorri from the Kid Trio, and I'm going to hang out with you for a little bit, and I'm playing Animal Jam. And Happy New Year. It's finally 2015, yay! And Merry Christmas too, even though it's really late for saying Merry Christmas. So if you haven't checked out the New Year's party for 2015 yet, it's in 8 minutes, so I'm going to do it in 8 minutes.
Well, for Lorri, it's in 8 minutes, but she's gonna post this app a little later or something.
So yeah, what he said, yeah, it's 8 minutes right now because
Yeah,
I'm gonna
8 minutes.
Yeah.
For you guys, it may be different.
Yeah, because I'm gonna post it sometime else. This video sometime else.
Yes, but you know that posted.
It's not it's not gonna be posted the day I did it.
Yeah, it's a little. I guess it's a little longer that we're saying this sort of stuff, but hey, we're new at YouTube. I'm making YouTube videos, so yeah, expect this sort of stuff.
Yeah, we're kind of weird and crazy too. Have any of you checked out the Jamal Day Rescue yet? A lot of you probably have already. Yeah, if you play Animal Jam. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is it. This is the beginning, but I'm not gonna do it because it's too long, and I don't want to do it because it's too long. And I might miss the party. So yeah, that's what it looks like in the beginning. And in case you're wondering, I decorated my whole den for a Christmas party. I have all my fellow pets in it and all Christmas stuff too, because I had a Christmas party. And so if you want to hang out at my den sometime with maybe you could ask your buddies if you want to have a party at my den. Just search up on the buddies right here. Just click that and type in Fluffy 55759. Then hit the search button. And it says I can't search for myself because it's me. But if you want to come to my den, it's going to always be unlocked until the end of January. So I'm going to put away all my stuff at the end of January. So if you want to come to my den sometime before January ends, it's going to be unlocked. Gotta check if it's unlocked already. Yep, it's unlocked. So, yeah, this is my den. Here's a little sneak peek. I might add some more stuff if I get more Christmas stuff. Yeah, I already have some Christmas stuff. Some more Christmas stuff, which I'm gonna add right now.
Yeah, if you guys hear Emmett and I talking in the background, we are making another video for you guys. So don't be mean to us. We're gonna be recording, taking pictures, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah.
And also, I'm probably not going to do the Christmas party anymore. I'm gonna change a little bit of it and do instead a New Year's party.
3 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, puts in 3 minutes. So. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate my den for a New Year's party instead of a Christmas party. In a little bit. So, but not while you're watching. I'll do it sometime else after the video. So yeah. That's my den. See, famous. This is one of my best friends, Kate and Buddy. Kate, 2006. Ooh, I love her den. It's awesome. And right now, since I just became a member a few days ago, I don't have my member den up yet. One of my member dens up. I have a bunch of member things. Like this, these are all my dens. This is my favorite den. It's so huge and it's awesome. Right now, it's not really a Christmas party-ish because I wasn't a member when a little bit earlier. So I haven't changed this yet. So that's what I am doing now. In case you're wondering. Bunch of member animals too, which I have enough to buy some more animals, which I am in my animal, which are a polar bear or an otter. Which one do you think? Or deer? Polar bear or deer? Otter isn't really a Christmassy animal. I'm going to go with the polar bear because I only have one. Let's see. If you hear me humming Let It Go from Frozen, I love Frozen, so it's always going to be stuck in my head. but I don't care because I love Frozen. Where's B? Where's B? I have 2 polar bears. I have a polar bear, a deer, eagle, another polar bear, penguin, otter, monkey, raccoon, a dolphin, a turtle, and another raccoon, a fox, a bunny, a rhino, another eagle, and another eagle, an elephant, a giraffe, and then a horse, and then I have, can get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 more animals after. So, and I want to see how many animals I have right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 19 animals right now. I'm gonna switch my den back to my small house. See, is the party on? Oh yeah, it's on! Yay! It's been on for a while now. So this is where you start out, and then things down here. Like there's a pond right here. There's a slide right there, but I'll get to that. Here's the bottom of the palace, but then here's top, which there's a den of this. Here's one top. Here's another top, and then here's what the slide goes to. Goes back down here, and then this slide right here goes down here too. So that's basically it of the party. It's not really awesome. Gotta make sure my list is good. Oh no, it's not. Gotta add good things like, how about, I don't really like the icicles I got yesterday. No, not yesterday. Small is good.